Hi everybody and welcome to Eagle Watch. This is actually one of my favorite communities in Towne Lake. This is actually where Ursula has her house specifically, and I'm today with Alessandra Elliott, one of our top listing agents, and she's going to take us through her brand new listing here in Eagle Watch. So Allie, why don't you take us inside and let's do a tour on this thing.
Sure, thank you Jason for the opportunity to show you my listing. So this is a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bathroom house. We are in the dining room right now. It's big enough. They had a hutch in it, seating for 12 people. Opens into the kitchen, which has been updated with granite countertops. The appliances are new. The oven actually is really cool because it can be operated with an app.
It looks like these cabinets might have been replaced. Was this entire kitchen redone?
It was not, just the appliances and the countertops.
Okay, excellent. So we've got updated countertops, a nice cozy kitchen that comes right off of there, and then this probably leads us into our eat-in area, right? So in case you don't want to eat in the dining room, that you're able to look, sit at this bay window area, right?
Yeah, with overlooking the woods and an Eagle Watch.
What's your favorite feature in this house?
The sunroom.
The sunroom. All right, well, let's go check that out.
Absolutely. And these guys were here when the house was built by the builder, so they have slowly been upgrading little things like hardwoods throughout. Yeah, this used to be a wooden deck, and actually the master bedroom is through those doors.
So this house not only has a great little sunroom, but it's also master on the main, basically a stepless ranch. I think with one step coming in. And then we're right off the master suite as well as off of what I would arguably call the family room.
Correct.
Yeah,
yep.
That's really cool.
Yeah, and it's super private. They used to come out here and watch the birds and watch the deer. They had the same deer kept coming back, so they had named a few of them. They have the bird feeders throughout, and it's so private and just, you can see the neighbors, but they're not on top of each other.
That's really cool, and this is at the end of a cul-de-sac, so that's also an added bonus. And it's not too far from Towne Lake Parkway. Like, you're only a couple turns before. I mean, Eagle Watch is big, so getting in here and not being too far from the main drag is a big deal. Let's go check out that master suite. Yeah. So welcome to the master suite. Obviously, it sounds like an echo chamber because this house is completely vacant and move-in ready with awesome wood floors. How big would you say this room is?
This room is big enough for a king-size bed, and they had an entire seating arrangement on this side. So
really an oversized master.
Absolutely.
All right, well, let's check out the master bath, one of the crown jewel features. All right, so we're in the master bath. This has got a ton of upgrades. This cannot have been the way that the builder did this. This is upgraded, right, Allie?
Absolutely, yes. They came in, they redid all the cabinets, countertops, mirrors, fixtures, lighting, new shower, new flooring, and a new tub.
And the shower is frameless. And so this is awesome because it's clear lines of sight. And one of the big things I'd like to say about the upgrade with the tub is jetted tubs were so huge in the 90s and 2000, but they're impossible to clean and nobody wants them anymore. This upgrade is a sunken tub that doesn't have jets, but they did actually put the shower head that you can pull out so that you actually can shower. Like if you had a pet or somebody that you wanted to wash in there, you absolutely could without bringing them into the shower. So you've got granite countertop upgrades as well as a nice walk-in closet. This is actually really nice.
It's really nice. That was their favorite feature, I would say, other than the sunroom.
Yeah, probably. All right, so let's go check out the rest of the house. All right. So welcome up to the landing. This is where the rest of the bedrooms are. I call these houses perfect if you would like to have the other people that may live here be separate, or if you simply want to work from home and you want work separated from living, that entire downstairs is completely livable. Up here, that means we have what, 3 bedrooms and 2.5 baths?
3 bedrooms, two baths.
2 baths.
Yes. So there's a Jack and Jill with 2 bedrooms on this side, and then there's a bedroom on this side with its own bathroom.
All right, let's check out the own bathroom and then we'll do a walkthrough and show them the Jack and Jill. How's that sound? This room is massive. I mean, this is a large room, so this would be great if you're gonna have another person that lives with you that you wanna have an entirely separate place. They could have their office in here as well as their bed and their own entire bathroom over here, which is a full bath.
And a walk-in closet too.
So this is definitely builder original from the bathroom and extremely clean. So would you say this is probably the more average size room in the house?
Yes, absolutely. It's
Okay.
average size. And
Okay, you're gonna have an average size room. This will have the Jack and Jill. So we'll go ahead and walk through the Jack and Jill to what I think is gonna be a slightly larger room. Take a look at it. All right, the space in this room is only bigger by probably that bay window.
Yep.
That's about it. So it's a little bit deceiving, but these two rooms would share that bathroom, and that other room would have a private room in here, making a nice cozy 3-bedroom, 2-bath up here.
Right.
And down on that main floor where basically we have the master suite and the half bath for the hallway to make this thing the 4 3.5 that it is.
correct.
That's really awesome. Are there any other really great features about this house that you would want to share with people?
Well, it has a fully unfinished basement.
That's
so it's
awesome. So a lot of potential for to be able to upgrade or increase the square footage.
anything you want can go in there, absolutely. And it's dubbed for a bathroom, so you can have entertainment, you can have bedrooms, anything.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys so much for being with us on this tour. For more information on this listing, you can click below and reach out to the number at our office or call Allie directly. Thank you guys.
Thanks.